Have you ever started a load of laundry, only to hear a strange, disturbing sound coming from your washing machine, almost like rocks are tumbling around inside, or perhaps a rough grinding that makes you wince? It is a common and often alarming experience, leaving many wondering what exactly is going on with their essential appliance. Your washing machine is making grinding noises, most often due to issues with its internal moving parts, typically the motor, the transmission, or the bearings. These sounds are usually a clear indication that a component is experiencing friction or wear, and it is crucial to address it promptly to prevent more significant damage. The primary reason these grinding sounds occur is mechanical friction. The motor, responsible for spinning the drum, can develop issues if its bearings wear out, causing metal-on-metal contact. Similarly, the transmission, which translates the motor's power into the washer's agitation and spin cycles, might have worn gears or a failing clutch. Even the drum bearings, which allow the inner tub to spin smoothly within the outer tub, can corrode or wear down, leading to a loud, scraping grind during cycles. To identify the source of the grinding, you can perform a few simple diagnostic steps. First, try to pinpoint when the noise occurs. Is it during agitation, spin, or both? If it is during agitation, the transmission or motor might be the culprit. If it is only during the spin cycle, the tub bearings are a strong suspect. Always unplug the machine first, then check the drum for any foreign objects that might have slipped into the gaps, like coins or small toys, as these can also cause a grinding sound. You can also carefully rock the inner tub by hand. If it wobbles excessively or grinds, the bearings are likely failing. Understanding these internal mechanics can save you a lot of headaches and money. For instance, addressing a failing bearing early on can prevent it from damaging the motor shaft or the entire tub assembly. Neglecting these noises often leads to complete machine failure, turning a potentially simple repair into an expensive replacement. Many modern washing machines use a direct drive system, which has fewer moving parts than traditional belt-driven models, but still relies on robust bearings for quiet operation. By recognizing the specific sounds and their timing, you are empowered to accurately describe the problem to a technician or even tackle simpler fixes yourself. Acting quickly when your washing machine starts to grind protects your appliance from further deterioration, ensures efficient laundry cycles, and keeps your home running smoothly with minimal disruption.